Welcome to La Vida Rosa. I'm your host Pinky, and the day has finally come. I'm opening up my new online shop, LaVidaRosaStyle.com. Y'all, this has been a long time coming, and I've had obstacles, different things get in my way. I didn't realize how difficult it would be to start a business. I wanted it to be legitimate, guys, so it just took a lot. I had to jump through a lot of hoops to get here, but we are finally here. In case you didn't know, I have been doing a giveaway, and I'm not going to announce the giveaway on this video because I want y'all to go to La Vida Rosa Style on Instagram. That's where I will be announcing the winner. And if you go on my website and you go to the category of brand new, you will see all of the brand new items I have to offer, which will be cute costume jewelry, not unlike these earrings. You'll get some cute little door knockers and cute little Afrocentric things, and a bunch of different types of jewelry to choose from. I think I have pretty much something for everybody, so I would go check those out if you're looking for some cute new little accessories to go with your outfit. I also have a few chokers to choose from. All of the jewelry is $10 and under. Most of it is like $5 and under. I wanted to make this very affordable because I'm a very frugal girl, so I wanted to make sure all the prices were reasonable. The next category I have on my website is thrifted and secondhand jewelry, and I wanted to share that thrifted secondhand vintage jewelry with people who would normally go into a thrift store, but maybe you can look on my website and you can find something that you like, and maybe it can pique your interest to vintage and secondhand. And it's like a wide array of necklaces and earrings and bracelets, and some of them are vintage, some of them are just like secondhand things that I found at different stores. This is just the beginning when it comes to vintage, thrifted, secondhand items I'm gonna have on my website. Eventually I'm gonna add clothing items, but I just wanted to start off with jewelry just to get everything started. If y'all like Dooney and Burke Michael Kors, I might have a few little purses to add on there later on. Not just yet, but coming soon. And the final category is going to be wigs. In case you didn't know, on my channel, La Vida Rosa, I do wig reviews. But a lot of the wigs that I try on and I review, I don't wear past the video. Like, I try it on and I wear it for the video, no more than like 30 minutes, take a picture in it, then I put the net back on it, throw it in the bag, and it goes in my drawer, literally never to be worn again. And I know a lot of you guys like the wigs that I wear on those videos, so I decided to go ahead and offer those wigs. Mind you, I have worn these wigs before, but I had a cap on, and like I said, I didn't have them on for more than 30 minutes. And also there might be a little bit of concealer on some of them, but I have it in the description if I put concealer on them or if the curls were undisturbed. I'll have all that information in the description, so if you want to check out those wigs, I'll even have the wig review in the description if you want to check out the wig review before you buy them. Shout out to everyone who is subscribed to me and watches my videos on a regular basis and has helped me build this platform and are going to be there on this next journey of me opening this business. La Vida Rosa is expanding to LaVidaRosaStyle.com. Please check out that link down below. Check out the website. I'm sure you'll find something you like on there. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Go check out LaVidaRosaStyle.com, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.